What is up, Ford F100 World? We got Jim Cox here, 1979. What color blue is this?
Roadhouse Blues.
Roadhouse Blue. This thing is nice. Hey, come on this engine bay with me. We may not have any wind. So what's the engine here?
It's actually a 528, what it's been punched out to. We call it a 527. It's got a set of John Cosby P51 heads on it.
Wow.
Running a torque storm blower at about 6 pounds of boost.
That's awesome.
Quick fuel, blow through carburetor on it.
You got a clutch on her?
Oh yeah,
Hydraulic,
we got a ram pedal.
Woo!
Tremec TKO 600 under it. The frame's boxed and braced. Running a Jack Rouse rear end 389 gears with D12.
Wow, this sucker's a runner.
You want to hear it?
Yeah, I do. Where's the best place to stand for that?
Probably right where you at.
All right.
We've got the cutout, so.
Okay, oh Lord. That is awesome. Hey guys, Ford F100 World, to post down below if you got an engine that you think is, can compete with this one. What do you think? Post down below, post pics, post videos, give us the stats and everything on your engines, man. And who else is running anything with boost? Let me know. Make sure it's a Ford engine though.
We call her Gator.
We call her Gator. 1979 blue. That's beautiful, man. I appreciate you.
Yes, sir.
Have a good one.